Hi everybody, welcome to my garage. Today we're going to open my birthday present. This is a HomeRight Electro Torch. So I guess you use these to light charcoal briquettes. And I like to grill and I like to use charcoal. So that's what I'm going to use. I got this for my birthday yesterday for my friends. Thank you very much. And yeah, let's get this open and see what's in here. Alright, here is the Electro Torch. Let's go ahead and rip in and see what we got. Go. Some packaging. Oh, wow. Okay, that's it for the box. Nothing there. That off to the side. Looks like we have some instructions, which I likely will not read. And then we have a ginormously huge heat torch. It looks like some kind. Yep. So, yeah, not too much to it. It's got, I'm sure, the usual warnings about, yeah. This hot air tool produces air at extremely high temperatures. Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah, okay, so be careful with that. Got a nice long cord here and some plastic. Take that off. Oh, and here's the warning. Do not bury tip in charcoal. Doing so can damage unit and void warranty. Okay, so we don't want to do that. Got a little stand there? Let's see. Seems kind of wimpy. You know, maybe you need it with the cord. That's okay. Alright, let's get that out of the way. There we go. It's got some kind of a switch. On, off, maybe two directions. I don't know. Alright, well, let's plug it in and use it. We'll see what this thing does. Okay, this warning label is in my way. I'll make it go away. There, that should be better. Okay, that's better. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and we'll plug this thing in and see how it goes. Okay, we will now plug in the Electro Torch and see how this goes. I have an outlet right over here. There we go, it is plugged in and I will now turn on the Electro Torch. Yeah, so you have to hold the thing down in order for it to work, it appears. Yeah, it's got two speeds, it sounds like. Let me see how. Yeah, it's pretty hot. Oh, yeah, that's really hot, even from just a few inches away. So that's, I'm sure that's gonna be really hot. Yeah, that's real hot. Interesting. It's kind of like a old school like car cigarette lighter thing we used to have in our cars like lots of years ago. Is that even safe to hold? Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. If that's even worth using. Maybe. Anyway, against my better judgment, I'm actually going to read the instructions here to see how long it takes to, you're supposed to hold the thing into the briquettes. I can't imagine it's more than a few seconds. Hot surface hazard, sparks hazard. Looks like the instructions are in French as well, if you speak French. Temperature 1500 degrees Fahrenheit, 816 degrees C. Wow, that's pretty hot. That's it. It doesn't tell me how long I'm supposed to hold it against the thing. Oh well, okay. I guess we'll figure it out later. Yeah, we'll have a grill this afternoon, grill up some chicken and some potatoes, and we'll use this thing for the first time, see how it goes. Okay, it's time to start the barbecue here. So this is not a master class in how to grill meat and potatoes and stuff. Just today we're just trying to figure out if we can use the Electro Torch to light the briquettes. So they're in the grill, they're in the Weber already. It's about 51 degrees Fahrenheit right now, and about 90% humidity. It's about to start raining here in the next few minutes, probably. A little bit of wind, so just kind of normal early December weather here in Western Oregon. So anyway, I'm going to get the, I'll mention I don't have any paper or anything in there. I don't have any lighter fluid on this. It's just literally briquettes right out of the bag. Kingsford briquettes right there, just in the thing. So yeah, let me get that and we'll see if we can get this thing fired up. Okay, here we go. We are now going to ignite the briquettes with the Electro Torch. Here we go. I have no idea how long this is going to take. Apparently a little while. I can feel some heat. Let's try it on 2. That's not hot at all like it was before. That's interesting. What is wrong with my Electro Torch? Well, that's hot. Okay, so apparently the low level is heat. That higher one was just a fan. So let's see how this goes. Oh, got a little bit of a spark there. Yeah, it's working. Alright. I'll keep going with that just to get it going in the middle. That's going to be the big thing. Yeah, definitely got... Oh, yeah, there we go. Look at that. Let's see. Try the fan now. This is the second level. See if that makes it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look at that. I think we might have ignition. I'm going to let it sit for a minute or two. Anyway, yeah, I see some orange going down there. A little bit of heat going. Let's give it a little bit more just because I can. Go over on this side. Yeah, I think that's kind of cool. Definitely got a lot of smoke now, so I think I'm gonna call it good and get the potatoes ready to throw on the grill here. Okay, well that's going to do it for the review of the HomeRight Electro Torch. You saw it didn't work. It's barbecuing away right now, doing pretty good. Looks like they're staying lit. Of course, what you would expect. I guess I like the product. It definitely worked as expected. It didn't take very long. It took me a couple times to figure out how to do it, but really it's lighting a fire. How hard can that be? The cord seems like it's long enough. It's probably 4 or 5 feet at least, so definitely long enough for me to reach out here. No problem. So I'm going to get back to barbecuing and enjoy my dinner tonight. And you all have a great day. And I'm going to definitely get this in before it starts raining. It looks like it's going to start any time. So, have a good day.